What's up, beautiful people? It's Holar of Texas again, and today what we're gonna be making today is suya, and we're gonna be making corn. And today's ingredients, we're gonna be having salt, we're gonna be having nor, we're gonna be having the corn, we're gonna be having beef, and right there, those are the ingredients. And the first thing I do is, for the most part, I cut my onions into, just dice my onions and put them aside. Then the next thing I do is, rinse my beef. Make sure it's all tied up, make sure it's all neat. Good.
We will be trying some suya made by our favorite chef, my brother. So, this is the suya. Very nice consistency, as you can see. It's very tasty, spicy, lovely, sweet. So we're going to be trying it. Get that nicey crisp and spicy flavor from the pepper and the suya spice. So y'all hear that? So good. With some corn. Feel that just melt in my tongue. Yeah. Top-notch chef right here in Holar of Texas.
Thank you all so much for all you do. And yeah, if you've not subscribed to my channel, either subscribe button and like, comment, turn on your notification, and yeah, I really appreciate all your support. Thank you.